A very good morning to all viewers, as we the students of Mahatma Gandhi Government School Dharyavat are trying our best to sharpen the skills of spoken English. Few days back from our class, some students got chance to speak on the topics. Today we are speaking on our topics, so please give us positive comments. Hello, my name is Shreyash and I want to give you some information about the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is also known as the Davis Triangle. It is an imaginary place near San Juan, Puerto Rico and Bahamas in USA. The Bermuda Triangle is called a Davis Triangle. The American author Vincent Geddes was the first to define its boundary in 1964 in an issue and the magazine named Argosy and called the area the Deadly Bermuda Triangle. The most popular theory is that there must be the power of aliens and found paranormal activities. But the scientists tell that whoever go around this area does not come back. And the most popular theory, one of the most popular theory is that there must be the power of electromagnetic interference, that there must be the very high pull of Earth's natural magnet. In the end, I want to say that the Davis Triangle mystery is unsolved and the scientists are finding what is the truth behind the Davis Triangle. Thank you.
Very good.
Good morning all of you. I am Kirtish. Today I am speaking on global warming. Global warming is the gradual rise in the temperature of Earth's surface, ocean and atmosphere. The most noticeable effect of global warming is the melting of ice cap and glacier in the world. As a result, even the sea level is rising steadily. It is believed that by the end of 21st century, many cities will be partly flooded by the sea. Global warming is caused when carbon dioxide, greenhouse gases and other air pollutants get collected in the Earth's atmosphere and absorb the solar radiation that is bounced off the Earth's surface. Because these pollutants exist in this temperature, they trap the heat and make Earth hotter. It is also known as greenhouse effect. Global warming is an extremely harmful for life on Earth. Thank you.
Okay, good try. Next.
Hello everybody, I am Padmavati from class 7. Today I would like to share with you the importance of health. Health is wealth. Proverb says that health is the most important asset. We should take balanced diet. It is important for a good health. It includes vegetable, milk, meats, eggs, etc. Daily exercise also makes us fit and healthy. A good sleep helps us to regenerate ourselves for next day activity. For a good health, it is important for us to take 6 to 8 hours of sleep. 7th April is celebrated as World Health Day by WHO. Healthy people no need to spend money to doctors and medicines. Mental health is as important as physical health also. Our surroundings and environment plays an important role in maintaining good health. Thank you.
Very good confidence. Okay, next.
Hello everyone. It's indeed an honor for me to stand before you and speak on my topic. Before going to start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Deshna Jain. I study in class 8. Now I am going to speak on my topic, and my topic is brain drain. Brain drain is very serious problem that developing countries are facing today. Brain drain refers to the situation where well-educated and talented people migrate to other countries due to lack of proper resources and education in their own countries. There are 3 types of countries: developed country, developing country and underdeveloped country. As we all know, our India is coming in developing country, and the concept of brain drain mainly matters in developing and underdeveloped country, unfortunately. Therefore, the well-educated and talented people unable to share their talent in front of people, and then they migrate to other countries and physically settle there, and then they show their talent easily. India is also facing this problem from many decades. There can be many reasons for brain drain, like lack of opportunity, equipment, facilities, etc. Government is pretty much responsible for the brain drain. High ambition is also causes for brain drain. People settle abroad to get a high standard of living. Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, Dr. Khurana are few examples of Indian brain drain. Government and private firms should take some strict measure to control this, and many developing and underdeveloped countries are facing this problem, loss of talent. Thank you everyone for listening me so patiently. Like this video and share this video. Thank you.